Hi, my name is Carl and welcome to my channel Gadgets and Tech. Since I bought my Sony RX100 Mark VII, I found it surprisingly satisfying to shoot ultra slow motion footage in 960 frames per second, and I want to share some inspiration for some super simple scenes that you can shoot that don't require much props or at least very available props or inexpensive props. So the first scene is tossing light items or things up in the air like autumn leaves that I have plenty of where I'm standing right now. This doesn't have to be autumn leaves, it can be sprinkles on an ice cream or anything. Next up is Flappy lips, which is very easy to shoot and it looks funny. That was Flappy lips. Scene number 3 is also very simple to shoot this time of year, especially when it's raining. It's just rain on a puddle. And if it's not raining, you can throw a small object like a small stone in the puddle and still get a splash. Scene number 4 is spinning a coin. It's very easy to get your hands on a coin and it's very easy to record. That was spinning the coin. Scene number 5 is pouring a drink in a glass. I like this one, it's so simple to shoot and it looks so delicious. If you put some ice in there, you will get this really nice splash. How do you like those ideas? Were they inspirational? Were they too simple? Do you want more advanced ideas? Or do you have any ideas of your own that you want to share with me and other videographers? Please let me know in the comments. And if you are interested in more footage from the Sony RX100 Mark VII, don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe!